Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Sanjeev Manugoli, a pediatrician and a wildlife enthusiast. Firstly, I would like to say a big thanks to Honeycomb Creative Support and Photo Stop, the organizers of the Reel of Wonders, the webinar series on different genres of photography as a part of the International Photography Week 2020 celebrations. In the midst of a dull and dry pandemic, this was like an oasis. Such a brilliant event would not happen without the time, dedication and support of Naful, Shri Kumar and everyone involved. A platform such as this develops the confidence needed for any creative journey. Art is everywhere, manifesting itself in various forms. It is a great opportunity for photographers to showcase a select portion of their practice and discover what others are creating. I must say it was an honor to be invited to speak here on wildlife photography. Thank you so much. The week of this program was nothing less than a life experience. I would like to propose a special vote of thanks to the Mercurial Mithun Prabhu for kindly hosting these webinars and taking utmost pains to see the presentations were successful from all angles. I would like to take a moment to thank a group of people, my extended family, who I feel simply haven't been thanked enough. Georgie, Sanisha, Shweta, Akhil, Bijit, Harish, Sanjeevan, Vinay and of course late Adit. We could not have done any of this without you all buddies. Webinars are of no use without participants. It was well supported by the community both here and beyond. Art of photography functions as a catalyst, bringing people together and forming new modes of connection. Today I would like to thank everyone, every single learned participant for attending the webinar and encouraging us. Boosting artists in such a manner deserves to be applauded. Art of photography is about putting forward ideas, memories, musings, and many like me will continue to be a part of that. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much.
My sincere thanks to everyone who joined Landscape Photography webinar. I thoroughly enjoyed sharing my experience and hope you found it useful as well. My heartfelt gratitude for all the love and appreciation I received for my humble work. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining my session and making it such a grand success. All the photographers who actually were a part of this are truly inspiring, and I learned a lot from the others who were on the panel. It was a little weird and I didn't know how this would work on a virtual platform, but all of you who actually tuned in made it a grand success, and the response has been fabulous. Thank you Photostop, thank you Honeycomb, and hope we can do such events in a larger gathering and this pandemic leaves us so that we can all meet and enjoy such a session in person.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed my presentation on Ceylon participation. I thank you, all of you who have witnessed the show and learned whatever you can. On this occasion, I would like to thank the staff of Honeycomb as well as Mr. Mithun Prabhu on this occasion. Thank you so much.
Thanks everyone for attending the webinar organized by Honeycomb Creative Support. I wish to see you again in our upcoming webinar. Happy shooting and thanks again.
Hi everyone, it was my tremendous pleasure to share with you my macro photographic journey. Your enthusiasm and active participation motivated me to give my best further. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, just wanted to say a big thank you from myself, Deepak Samani, for joining us for this series of webinars hosted by Honeycomb Creative. We look forward to seeing you in the future. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. Thank you for participating in the Reels of Wonders webinar series. We had an overwhelming response and it was possible only because of your presence. It has been a learning session for all of us about different genres of photography from eminent speakers excellent in their own field. We will be coming up with more such webinars. See you soon.
Speakers, thank you for sharing your experience, and attendees, thank you for your participation.
Hi. The experience I gained by coordinating between participants and my teammates was remarkable. Team spirit and enthusiasm helped us gain more confidence and knowledge to improve ourselves to give the best in the forthcoming webinars. It indeed was a huge success at the end, and thank you all for being the part of this journey.
I am Harish. I'm also working alongside Agil in designing the creatives for social media, and it was overall amazing and unique experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Honeycomb, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. It indeed was a great experience for me, and I enjoyed every bit of it. And thank you all for being a part of the webinars.
Thank you for the great experience.
Hi, I am Agil Vijay. I worked on the creative for the webinar. It indeed was a new and exciting experience for the webinar.
Hello everyone. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank each one of you who attended our webinars that we conducted as part of the International Photography Week 2020. You all showed so much of love that we are overwhelmed with the feedback. Thank you again on behalf of speakers and the Honeycomb team. Until we meet soon for the next ones, take care and be safe. Thank you.
Good evening all. Thank you so much for attending all our webinars. Stay tuned. There are more things on the way. Thank you.